Hello students, in this video we will discuss about permutation and combination, which is the new chapter of class 11th maths NCERT. Since in the previous video already we have finished previous chapter. Now in this chapter there are two topics. First is permutation and second is combination. What is the permutation and what is the combination? Before the discussing, first we try to understand what is the fundamental principle of counting. What is the fundamental principle of counting? For this we take a problem. If any event can happen m types or m ways, and another event happen by n ways, then how many total number of ways to happen m and n, that means both events. Therefore total number of ways to happen both events in order equal to m into n. That means ways of happening of first type of event and ways of happening of second type of event, and if we multiply both, then we can find the total number of ways to happening of both events in the order, and this will be m into n. Now we will take example, that is, suppose a student have 3 pens and 2 shirts then how many ways he can wear the pair of pant and shirt. Now we will try to understand this and try to solve this problem. Suppose there are 3 pens. First pen is denoted by P1, second pen is denoted by P2, and third pen is denoted by P3. Since he have 2 shirts, that means every shirt can wear with each pen. That means P1 pen can wear 2 ways. Suppose with the S1 and S2 are the shirts, then P1 S1 and S2. That means P1 pen can wear with shirt S1 and shirt S2. There are 2 ways. Again, shirt S1, he can wear S1 and S2 also. And the same way, he can wear S1 and S2, wear the pen 3. That means there are 2 plus 2 plus 2. That means there are 6 ways to wear the pair of 3 pant and 2 shirts. Therefore, total number of ways to wear 3 pant and 2 shirts equal to 3 into 2. Here n equal to 3 and n equal to 2. That means pant she can wear 3 wedge and shirt can wear 2 wedge. Therefore, total number of wedge to wear a pair of 3 shirts and 2 pants is equal to 3 into 2 equal to 6 wedge. This is known as fundamental principle of counting. Students, now we will study permutation in the next video.